This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Minute podcast. Today's discussion is Apple, 7 key points. So here's a discussion about Apple. Goldman Sachs recently upgraded Apple. Thought that would give us a good chance to go through 6 or 7 key points about Apple. First, Apple's the largest company in the U.S. by market capitalization in about $2.43 trillion or so. It's the largest by a good degree. Microsoft is second. Second, Apple's third in revenues in the U.S. with about $394 billion a year in revenues. It's behind Walmart and Amazon. Third, as we just said, Goldman just upgraded Apple to a buy rating. Fourth, some of the reasons why they upgraded Apple. Apple has sort of slowing sales of the iPhone, but increasing revenues per user from people that use the iPhone and are part of the Apple ecosystem. So the long run, the game is to have so many people in the Apple ecosystem that they make money off of each of those users. They look at a stat called average revenue per user, and they see that going up over time. So that's sort of the long-term plan in Apple, maintaining the ecosystem even as people buy phones a little bit slower than they used to, but making money off services in the entire Apple ecosystem. Fifth, in terms of total revenues, they're still at a spot where iPhone revenues are $205 billion out of $394 trillion, and then the services revenues are about 78%, $78 billion, but rising. So again, the concept is total revenues $394 billion. Keep iPhone revenues moving in the right direction, but keep on accelerating the amount of revenues that are from services. Finally, in terms of the stock price, year to date, Apple's up 18%. Doing well, like a lot of the tech stocks have rebounded this year. And finally, several of the last 52 weeks, it's down 5%, but that's a lot better than a lot of the other tech stocks that really got hurt over the last 52 weeks. Thank you for listening to this brief podcast on the Becker Private Equity and Business Minute podcast. Thank you very much. Again, Apple, 7 quick points. Thank you for listening.